Hi, in this quick video, we will walk you through the curriculum of our course. This course is divided into 5 sections. On the first section, we will give you a quick introduction to the course and to OMG Mastermind Group. You will also discover how to pick your niches based on ROI and other crucial factors, how to pick the right affiliate program to maximize conversions, and how to create niche-focused conversion systems. In section 2, we will introduce you to 6 traffic generation strategies and how to optimize them. While in section 3, we will let you in on 10 valuable pieces of advice from super affiliate marketers. Advice such as how to turbocharge your affiliate income in one step and the most important fact to affiliate success. Throughout section 4, we will teach you the various methods and strategies to level up your game in generating traffic to your site via Facebook, SEO, Google AdWords, and solo ads. So what are you waiting for? See you in the next video. Bye!